make your first $100 monthly publishing on Amazon KDP. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Silverline Achis, and on this channel, I show you how you can practically make money with just your smartphone from anywhere in the world, Nigeria inclusive. So from anywhere in the world, you can make money, and I want to be showing you how you can do that. So come along with me, let me show you how you can also achieve this that every other person has been achieving. So nowadays, it's very easy to make money. Don't listen to what other people say, but I know it is now very easy to make money so long as you have your smartphone, you have the internet connection, and so long as you have the right mindset to making this money, I promise you, you will be making money for yourself. Now, in this video, I will be taking you through how you can practically make money online, publishing simple books on a site known as Amazon KDP site, and how you can get paid in dollars, how you can withdraw your dollars, and how you can start this business from the comfort of anywhere with little or no capital. Now, before we proceed, you might want to ask, who is this person and why should I listen to her? Okay, let me introduce myself properly. So I will have the permission to take you through this story. Now, who am I? My name is Silverline Achais Soleri, and Silverline Achais is a student and entrepreneur with over a year of experience in sales, marketing, and skill acquisition. It all started in 2021. After the COVID break, I went back to school and I noticed, wow, I am not having money. Like, I practically don't have money at any time. You come to me this minute, I'm not having money. You come to me the next minute, I'm not having money. So I'm like, what should I do to make money online legitimately? Of course, legitimately. And I started paying for courses. But when I started initially, I wasn't making money from it. That's the truth, because I started as I just wanted to learn something than just sitting idle. Not until the following year, I started making money from the skills I learned, and then I also got access to other things that could make me earn money online legitimately. And of course, I dived into it. Now, aside making money online, both in dollars and naira, I have also helped over 300 people in mentorship to same with their smartphones daily and monthly, conveniently as publishers or salespeople, and training others in needed skills like videography, lead generation, how to start their own business, and the rest of it. Now, I said before, I'm a student. Yes, I'm a 100 level student of the University of Calabar, and I'm studying public health currently. So I love to learn and practice what I know, so long as it brings change and so long as it also gives me money. Of course, I'm learning for two things. So long as it brings change to my mindset, helps me grow, and so long as it's going to pay my bills, of course, I am going to learn it. Now, I haven't had the honor of taking you through this class. Let us go straight into our class because I don't want this video to be too long. Now, what is Amazon KDP and why you should consider Amazon KDP? Now, KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing, and it's a platform or website that encourages authors to self-publish their books themselves on KDP Amazon website and get paid in royalties. Yes, I love the sound of that, royalties. Now, royalties are dollars, but on the Amazon KDP side, they don't call it dollars. They prefer to call it royalties. Of course, we earn in royalties for our books read or bought. That's the good part about this side also. You get paid for books people read. So let's say you publish a book and it's just 11, 11 pages. Now, anybody that reads your book without buying, anybody that reads your book without buying it, you get paid for it. Isn't that awesome? And after reading it, if they still want to go ahead and make purchase for that book, of course, you still get paid for it. Wow. Yes, like wow. Now, these are few earnings I want to show and the student work that I also wanted to put out so you could see. The color book you're seeing here is one of the books you can be publishing on Amazon KDP site. Now, why Amazon KDP is the best business? Like, yes, there are practically a lot of businesses, but why do I prefer this? Now, I prefer Amazon KDP because it has no inventory. So you don't have to be sitting down to jotting down anything or whatsoever. There's no customer service. You don't need to follow up anyone. Compared to other businesses, you need to actually follow people up. to make payments. On Amazon, you don't need to do anything because practically Amazon have staffs to do all that. So the only thing you are wanted to do is just to publish your books and put it up there. Now it also has a high profit margin. So the profit margin is very high because you're being paid and people just read your book. Come on. And you're also being paid when people buy your book. Now it is open to almost everyone in the world, Nigeria inclusive. So of course, if you're from Nigeria watching this video, this business is also for you. It also has low learning curves. For those of you that would say, oh, I'm not an expert, I'm not a publisher, how can I start publishing my books? It doesn't require you to be a teacher. It also doesn't require you to be a publisher. The only thing you have to do is you have to be open to learning once you start the site also. Now it has low or no startup cost, like at all. You're not paying Amazon to proofread your book. You're not paying Amazon to edit your book like the normal world. For our publishers in the secular world, they pay people to edit their books. But on Amazon, you're not paying anything. You're not even paying Amazon to upload your books on their site. Instead, Amazon pays you. They pay you when you upload your books and it is being read, and they also pay you when people buy the book. Now, Amazon KDP in 2016 / Amazon KDP in 2023. Amazon KDP has been existing since 1993. It has been existing since 1993 because it was created as a beta test for the company to help, to help them also sell books aside the physical products the company is known for selling. Now, the Amazon KDP in 2016 was concerned mostly about content instead of quality. But in 2023, you don't need to be concerned about content. You just need to be concerned about quality. Also, your SEO search, Amazon will do all that. And there was no one running ads. But in 2023, you can run ads. Like you can pay Amazon to take your books to a lot of people. The book review and the rest. And for you to also have more sales, you need to reduce the price. So let's say 1,001 person is selling a particular book which you are involved, and everyone is selling for $10, and someone sees the same book for $8. What do you think? The person will go for the one of $8, so he could save up $2 for himself. So now, on a competitive world like Amazon KDP, you need to also consider, especially in 2023, you need to also consider your pricing before putting it up. Now, types of books to publish on Amazon KDP. We have low content books and no content books. Examples are journals, planners, the medium content books like coloring books. One of the images you saw earlier was a coloring book, puzzle books. These are books for kids and for other people that would love to get it. Now, we also have high content books. High content books are actual books like fictions. Fictions are like stories, like they don't exist, but you just try to bring them into life. Now, non-fictions are books that actually happened. So you have a real life story you want to share, you're good to go. What you need to begin Amazon KDP, I told you earlier that you just need 3 things to begin. Now, the number one thing you need is your mindset. You need the right mindset. Now, know that Amazon KDP is not a get rich quick scheme. For those of us that might be thinking, oh, immediately I get in, I want to start earning. No. It takes time. Yes, because this is new, so it takes time. So you need to work on your mindset, and it is slow at the beginning. Yes, it is slow at the beginning. Let no one tell you immediately you start, you're going to start earning $1,000. No, it is slow at the beginning because you're new to this, so you need to understand what you're doing. Now, also you need to also know before you begin that you are building a passive income, and passive income are not just done like immediately. Okay, so these are the things you need to watch out for before you begin Amazon KDP. Now, types of books to publish. Okay, we've talked about all that before. Types of book to publish, we talked about all that before. So what if I am not an expert? For those of you that would say, oh, I am not an expert. What if I am not an expert? Now, you can learn as you go. Yes, you can learn as you go. So while you are on it, you're learning it. You don't have to be perfect in what you're doing, but consistency beats perfection. Now, the value comes from organizing the information. That is the amount of money you get comes from your information, how you put it out, how you arrange it, and the rest. So you don't have to be an expert. You don't need to be a publisher. You don't need to be a lecturer. You don't need to own a PhD degree. You don't need to own a PhD or a master's degree for these things. Now, Now that you've heard the benefits of Amazon KDP, would you like to begin publishing? Would you like to begin your publishing journey and start earning $10 to $50 monthly for a book or more? Now, would you like to get involved in this? Now, if your answer is yes, then let's proceed because you qualify for the next stage. Now, the secrets to making your first $100 monthly is possible if you have this thing I am about to mention to you. Like I keep saying, a good mindset. We can play on that. A good mindset, your smartphone and internet connection, which I believe you have, and the one-stop KDP guide. Now, what is the one-stop KDP guide? The one-stop KDP guide is a blueprint for Amazon KDP, which will guide you in the following. Now, you will be taught how to create your $1 account yourself. You will also get to learn how to create your team, how to create your Amazon KDP account, how to research for books, how to run ads on Amazon to promote your books, a support group on WhatsApp, a minimum. Now, these are prices of what this would have cost you. But for staying till the end of this free short webinar, of course, I still have a surprise for you. So let me tell you what you'll be having. So everything mentioned would have cost you $30. I have friends that paid up to 40,000 Nigerian naira to learn Amazon KDP. I have friends that also paid $20. Of course, I paid 50,000 naira to learn this. So yes, because I wanted to get something out of it. However, for watching this webinar till this moment, I have a free gift for you. Yes, and my gifts are never over. So you'll be getting all I have mentioned and also a free AI portrait app for just 5,000 naira. You'll be getting also my course on YouTube monetization that would have cost you a separate 5,000 naira, making everything 35,000 naira. You'll be getting it for free. So I'm giving you free other things, a free AI portrait app and my YouTube course. Of course, people pay for that course, but I am willing to give it to you for free just because you're willing to learn Amazon KDP. Now, Amazon KDP usually will cost you a lot to learn, but I am giving this to the first 20 people that are willing to make payment tonight. Now, the free AI portrait app and the free YouTube monetization course, it is only for the first 20 persons that are willing to make payment tonight for just 5,000 naira. You're going to get all these and more. You're also going to get a support group, and my mentorship is open for you now. If you are ready to begin your journey in publishing and becoming a publisher on Amazon KDP, I will leave my link in the description below so you can go there and send me a message, send me a DM on WhatsApp so you can get started immediately. This 5,000 naira offer is limited. It is not going to remain 5,000 naira for a long time. Of course, you saw the actual price of what you'll be getting. So I will be increasing the price back to its actual fee. But I want you to get in, and that is why I'm giving you this chance to get in. Now, for more content like this, on how to make money and the rest, you can like and share this video to your friends that you also want to earn money. Also, you can leave a very interesting comment in the comment section. You're also interested, please send me a DM because I'm going to leave my number at the description box. Also, you can help like this video, share to your friends, leave a good comment, and if you want more tips like this and more videos, please do not forget to turn on the notification button. Thank you. See you another time.